Make a fiery, tangy hot sauce in minutes. Bright, balanced, and freezer-friendly. Let's go! You'll need red chilies, 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves, half a cup vinegar, a 1/4 cup water, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons oil. Quick safety. Use gloves with hot peppers and don't touch your face. If you get capsaicin on your skin, wash with oil, then soap and water. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté 1-2 minutes till translucent. Toss in smashed garlic and cook 20-30 seconds until fragrant. Add the chopped chilies, stems removed. Cook stirring 1-2 minutes, just to soften and wake the flavor. If you want milder sauce, remove seeds and membranes. For maximum heat, keep them. Roasting peppers beforehand gives a smoky depth. But this quick pan step works great for a 3-minute recipe. Pour in half a cup vinegar and a 1/4 cup water, then add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 1-2 minutes to marry flavors and slightly soften the chilies. Taste a tiny cooled spoon to check balance. More sugar rounds acidity, more vinegar lifts brightness. Turn off heat and let the pot cool for 30-45 seconds so you don't blow a blender. Transfer to a blender and blitz until very smooth, 20-30 seconds. Add a splash of water if you want a thinner sauce. For an ultra silky sauce, strain through a fine sieve. Taste and adjust. Add a pinch more salt if it's flat, or a teaspoon of sugar if too sharp. If it's too hot, add more vinegar or a spoon of honey. If you like this quick sauce, like, subscribe, and share. Cool completely, bottle in a sterilized jar, and refrigerate. It keeps approximately 2-4 weeks, or freeze in cubes for months. Try it on eggs, tacos, or grilled meat. See you next recipe.